This is, you don't see this shit though, boys. This is crazy. Offshore meatball, man.
And it's because of the red tide.
It's gotta be, you know?
Yeah.
They're definitely a beach fish, clearly. As far as you can see, dude, this is not. Okay, come over here.
Yep.
Here comes the jump.
Bow to the king, Herm. Bow to the king.
Doesn't even know it's yet. There he is. Nice fish. Nice fish. Stay tight. There you go.
3 hours later.
She let some bubbles out. That means she didn't get a full breath. Now she might jump.
She's diving.
There she is, man.
Listen to all that line roll, Scoob.
That just means that's no more work you got to do, brother.
You got me, John. I'm telling you, dude. Oh my God, another major run.
Oh man, Means is missing it. Now she's coming up again. Might breathe, might jump. We don't know.
It just ate 6 jacks. Booyah!
Just kind of point the pole out of her, right? Okay. She's gonna do it again.
Running hard again.
Might jump. The hour mark with this sucker?
I like it.
This thing doesn't want to be done.
She's gonna breathe again. Keep her up top.
Okay.
Nice. Didn't get a breath. That's good. Now you got her turned. Keep coming. She didn't get anything there either.
Oh my God.
Nice. You're good. Keep that pole high.
Okay.
I'm glad it wasn't a shark.
Oh.
See, you've had tarpon that have been coming up, and then the bigger fish go get it.
Well, yeah, you know, you fight it for this long, you know.
Yeah.
All those stress signals are going out. Yeah. Here we go. You got her whooped.
Thanks. Feel like it, yeah.
Here she comes. Keep that pole high.
Yep.
Reel down again. Just pull straight up.
Pulling straight up.
Pull to your left.
Pulling to the left. Or holding on for dear life, either.
Got some air.
Right there is what we want. That surface slashing. Just keep her up high.
That's
like
the
that.
dead dog.
Keep her up high like that.
Okay.
Come on, baby. We're gonna let you go, girl. Just give us a look at it. Come on, man.
Fucking sanity.
Oh, we lost the leader. Oh. You got her. Don't give up, man. Don't give up.
Can't give up now.
No.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I lost
That's all right.
the leader.
Pulling left.
I can't.
It's okay. Just keep it off the boat.
Don't tell me you
That's all
can't.
gotta do.
Help me out.
Good. You didn't take your Centrum Silver today either?
No.
God, it's a big fish.
Definitely a big fish. These are fish of a lifetime for a lot of people, man.
This is a lifetime right now.
I've been here a lifetime. Good Lord.
Ah,
Oh, there goes the
I
lead.
want you worse.
He's double fisting the phones too.
Kill this thing. Tomahawk chop, 9th inning rally. Look at that rod. Jesus Christ.
Come on, we gotta catch more of these things.
I know.
There you go. Just reel that sucker in. Keep going. Keep going.
Come to us.
Going
Come
down.
up to
It's
us.
okay.
Redirect. You're the boss.
Can't have much in the tank now.
God, I know I don't.
Yeah. As long as you have 2 more minutes more than that has. He works so much. He works so hard, dude. Keep it going. Just keep the extension. Use your back. Attaboy. That's why you've been doing all that beer drinking for those years. Use that gut. Put that gut in an angle. That's
Towel
Stag
me.
Beer. Brewing heritage since.
Where's my towel? Towel boy. Hand.
That's what I'm saying. I can do that for you, Herm. Both hands on that pole.
It's all right. It's so close. Right there. You just dogged her. See hers right there?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I did.
Keep going.
I
Give us
gained
more
a little.
silver.
Reel down some more.
Yep. Got some silver. You want
You
that
ready?
silver, Captain.
Thanks.
Turner. Turn. Turn.
Friggin' spunky still.
Back out the door!
Don't drop that. Don't give up.
That's out the back door. Playing in the backyard with his friends. Ah!
Oh yeah. That's a fish, boys. That's a fish there. Oh my God. Oh God, yeah. Get some pictures.
Smile.
Great fish, man.
Smile. Smile, Herm.
Yeah, baby.
Keep going.
That thing
Keep
is
going.
5 foot down.
Hey, you stepped on the cooler now.